Hi students, welcome to our video class. Today's topic is cooking and eating. Please introduce with the content. Grammar. On grammar today we are going to speak countable and uncountable nouns. Vocabulary, talking about food and drinks. Reading in the kitchen. Speaking and writing, asking about recommending place to eat. Countable nouns, we can use countable nouns to make plural with a and an articles. So here in the column you can see singular form and plural form of countable nouns. We can count countable nouns. For example, an apple, apples, 2 apples, 3 apples, a house, 2 houses, 7 houses, an orange, 10 oranges. So when we make plural, we'll add es and s suffixes at the end of the noun. In this slide you can see 2 columns. So they are countable nouns and uncountables. As I say that we count countable nouns. Here, cucumber, tomatoes, watermelon, carrots, etc. Uncountable nouns. We can't count uncountable nouns. For example, milk, salt, water, sugar, weather, wine, sun. We can't count these kind of uncountable nouns. They are quantities. We use countable nouns with a certain definition of members. For example, 5 dictionaries, tons of oranges. We use some definition with uncountable nouns. Here with the quantifiers, uncountable nouns given with a picture. Here, for example, a carton of milk, a bar of chocolate, a bowl of soap, a cube of sugar. So as I mentioned, we can't add here suffix s and es at the end of the countable noun. We can't use uncountable nouns in a plural. Also, we can't use a and an articles with them. You can see in this slide some kinds of uncountable nouns. So they are cheese, news, coffee, water, gold. We can count water, 1 water and 2 water. That's why we call some water or much water, little water. Advice, also abstract noun, and we can't count it. Also love, flower, sun, cancer, fish, air too. For example, there is a little snow in winter. There is any sugar in the kitchen. My mother gives some advice to my sister. When we make a question from countable and uncountable noun, we need pronoun questions, how much and how many. How much plus uncountable and how many plus countable. For example, how much money in your pocket, or how many books on your shelf. How many countries make rice. We use words like lots, much, some to talk about quantities. So the words go before a noun. For example, Akram has lots of friends, or they don't make much money. There are some nouns we can use in both countable and uncountable form. Countable meaning a chicken escaped from the hen house. Uncountable meaning Sandra has black and long hair. We had chicken for dinner. Now let's turn topic on cooking, guys. Here, vocabularies we need in a kitchen while cooking. We need this kind of tools. Here, within the picture, you can get them, and you may copy from this vocabulary on your copy book. Okay, cooking pot, baking dish. What we do with cooking pot? Using cooking pot, boiled eggs or boiled sausage or make a soup. Basic vocabulary. Guys, here are given the examples with these sentences using the pictures here. You need look through these exercises and match the verbs in the following cooking instructions by the picture near here. So you carefully look through the exercise and try to suitable answer by using the picture. For example, first, fry the onions in a little oil until they are brown. So please look through the pictures and find out the answer. Have you found the answer? Yes, you are right. Here, picture D is suitable for the first sentence. Dear students, now let's practice cooking process. Here, given some pictures, process of cooking shish kebab. If you want to cook shish kebab, you can look through and follow this shish kebab recipe. Next, our topic is food. We get food from plants and animals. All living organisms, such as plants and animals, require food, guys. You can see here beautiful pictures with domestic animals and the foods and vegetables here. So these food you can get from cow, goat, horses and hens and plants. We take not only meat, but we can take milk, and from hens we can take eggs and chicken. Food is a kind of fuel for the living things, just as petrol fuel for our car. In the same way, food is fuel for our body. You can see the picture components of food. In addition, food helps us to grow and to give energy in order to be active in our life and to be healthy. The next topic is recommendation place to eat. So here you can follow these instructions. When you go to the restaurant or eating out, you need these expressions. Okay, at the end of my slide, I'll recommend you not to eat junk food and French fries. Eat a salad and don't have hamburger, and don't order coffee or soda. Drink water or juice. And I highly recommend you, if you want to go out, one of the restaurant, April Verdant restaurant, is a family style restaurant. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.